Axway Transfer CFT application demo. Here now we are going to see how to submit a job in Dynamic Workload Console. Design, Workload Designer, create new, job definition, CFT. Here we need to provide all the mandatory information. First, general information, name of the job, workstation, search, internet. Now connection details. Here we need to provide the Axway Transfer CFT server details, port, on which port it is running, username and password. Do the test connection. Successfully established connection. Now action part. Here we have two actions. One is send, another one is receive. First we are going to perform send operation. How to send in a file. Here also we need to provide all the mandatory information. Here partner, I am going to take it as a Paris. Identifier CFT send. File name, which file I am going to transfer. NF name, what is the name of the file at receive location. I'm giving the same file name. I'm going to save the job. Run the job. This job is done. Now we can monitor the same job in monitoring page. Monitoring cloud. Here we need to change it to job. It's running. We are going to give priority as an highest so that it will run fast. Save. It's running. Workflow details. It's running. Same file transfer status we can see in transfer CFT server also. Here transfer might have completed. Yes, it's got completed. Now we can go and see here. Yes, transfer got successful. Now we are going to perform the same operation for receive. Receive operation. General information here. Connection details will be same. Receive. I'm going to take it as another partner. Identifier. Here NF name. Which file we want to receive. What is the name of the file at receive location? To which location file need to be transferred? Here I am transferring file to this location. Save the job. Run the job. Same, this job can be monitor in monitor page. It is running. We are going to update the status. It's still running. This file transfer status, we can see it in Axway Transfer CFT application also. Yeah, here we can see it's still running. Yes, it's got completed. Now we can see it in our monitor page. Yes, it's got successful. This is all about Axway Transfer CFT demo. Thank you.